Hey girlies, are you ready to transform your body and your life in just 21 days? So I've got an incredible diet plan that's designed to help you shed pounds, boost your energy, and feel confident, empowered, and absolutely loving the way you look. No more guessing or counting calories. This is a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly what to eat and when to eat it, from morning to night. And the best part? You'll be fueling your body with delicious, satisfying meals that will keep you feeling full and energized all day long. But this isn't just about weight loss. It's about empowering yourself to make healthier choices, boost your confidence, and unlock your full potential. I'm about to reveal a 21-day weight loss challenge that's unlike anything you've ever seen. No more starving, no more deprivation. Just real results, real energy, and a real transformation. Are you ready to commit to a 21-day challenge that will change your life? If so, drop a comment below and let's get started on this amazing journey together. I can't wait to see your incredible results. But babe, just a little heads up before we dive in. A lot of the meals I'm sharing in this video are super common in India because a big part of my audience is from there. But don't worry, if you're not from India, I haven't forgotten about you. I've added alternatives for you too, so you'll still find this video helpful no matter where you're from. And the tips I'm sharing, they apply to everyone. So whether you're from the US, Europe, or anywhere else, this video's got you covered. So, here's the secret to a supercharged morning when you wake up feeling like a zombie. This drink can help you feel more awake, and guess what? It's super easy to make. Just grab a glass of warm water, sprinkle in a pinch of black salt — you can find black salt easily at any store — and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Only half a lemon, okay? It's like a little boost for your body and your mood. This drink is amazing for boosting your metabolism and getting your digestion going. It's the perfect way to kick off your morning before breakfast. But hey, if you've got a sore throat or just can't handle lemon water for any reason, no worries. You can always stick to just plain lukewarm water. It's still a great way to hydrate and get your day started right. Next up, breakfast. This is literally the most important meal of the day, so please don't skip it. Don't even think about skipping meals or cutting down too much. Your health comes first, and you need to make sure you're getting enough fuel for your body, and if you're trying to grow taller, breakfast is super important. Don't you dare skip breakfast. I know some of you might be thinking about intermittent fasting or a keto diet, but don't go down that road if you want to lose weight healthily while also trying to grow taller. You should have about 50 grams, that's one bowl, of cracked wheat or Bulgar, which we call dalia. You can ask your mom to add some tempering with a few spices, onions, tomatoes, and cumin seeds, but make sure she uses very little oil. If you're not feeling dalia, you can eat oats in the same quantity instead. Another awesome breakfast option is a bread omelette. For that, you need 2 whole eggs. Don't avoid the yolk, please. I've seen so many people skip the yolk thinking it'll make them fat. Like, girl, what? You also need 4 slices of whole wheat bread. You can add a little oil and spices to make it tasty, but again, don't go overboard with the oil. But breakfast doesn't stop there. After that, have 300 ml of milk without cream and 10 almonds. So those are the breakfast options. Remember, don't mix 2 things at once. Stick to these suggestions and make sure you get all the nutrients you need. Quick tip: try drinking a glass of water before every meal. Not only does it help with digestion, but it also keeps you feeling fuller, so you're less likely to overeat. Hydration is key, especially when you're making changes to your diet. But here's the thing: try to avoid drinking water right after your meal. It can dilute your stomach acids, making it harder for your body to digest food properly. So, drink up before, but give it a little break after your meals. Okay, bestie, let's get into lunch. If you go to school or college, you gotta follow this plan. And here's what you should have: 1 bowl of lentils, 2 chapatis and salad as well. Now, for those who might not know, chapati is made from whole wheat flour. If you don't have chapati or don't know what it is, you can also have whole grain wraps or even slices of whole grain bread. For wraps, aim for 1 to 2 whole grain wraps. Or if you prefer bread, go for about 4 slices of whole grain bread. This will keep your meal balanced with the same amount of calories and nutrition as 2 chapati. Oh, and listen up: if you're over 15 and overweight or super tall, then you should take 2 bowls of lentils instead of just 1. You can eat lentils with any of the options I mentioned. This way, you're getting enough protein and nutrients to keep you energized and healthy. And don't forget to carry some Last C in a bottle with you to school. You'll want to finish that Last C by lunchtime. Then refill your bottle with water during your break and drink it until school's out. But if you're not a lassi fan, you can swap it for yogurt or even a protein smoothie. So by the way, I would love to know what your favorite healthy meal is. Drop it in the comments and let's inspire each other. Sharing our go-to recipes can help us all find new favorites and keep us motivated on this journey. All right, babes, I know the evening can be a tough time, right? That's usually when the snack cravings hit hard. Whether you're at tuition, coaching, or hanging out with friends, it's so tempting to grab some ice cream or a cold drink. But trust me, you gotta resist that urge. I used to think bananas would make me gain weight, but guess what? That's not true at all. As long as you eat everything in moderation, you're good. If your friends are munching on snacks and you're feeling tempted, just remind yourself of your goals. Stay away from cold drinks, fast food, and all those fried snacks. If you really can't resist a cold drink, okay, fine, have a Coke Zero, but only once a week, girl. And make sure it's the one without sugar. Yeah, it won't make you gain weight, but it's still not great for your health, so don't make it a habit. Oh, and don't forget you're on this 21-day challenge. Just 21 days, girlies, that's all. So do yourself a favor, write it down, and stick it on your fridge or somewhere in your room where you'll see it every day. And let it remind you that you're on a mission and you've got to stay consistent. Consistency is key. All right, girlies, before we jump into dinner, let's chat about those crazy diets promising you'll lose 10 pounds in a week. Seriously, they're just lying to you. Your body isn't into quick fixes. It needs time to adjust. And that's where this 21-day plan comes in. It's not about dropping pounds overnight, it's about creating a lifestyle that makes you feel amazing every single day, not just after a crash diet. And let's be honest, we want this weight to stick, right? So I'm not here to tell you to starve yourself or do anything wild. If you're thinking, wait, I can actually eat carbs and still lose weight? Yes, you can. That's what makes this plan work. By giving your body what it needs, you're boosting your metabolism and burning fat the healthy way. So now let's dive into dinner. Don't skip dinner thinking that eating late will make you gain weight. That's just not how it works. It's not about when you eat, but what and how much you're eating. If you're staying up late and snacking on junk like popcorn, biscuits, or chips, that's what will cause weight gain, not your dinner. So, for dinner, stick to 2 chapati and 2 bowls of veggies or lentils. You can choose from veggies like apple gourd, ridge gourd, or eggplant, and if you can go for green veggies, even better. So girl, my absolute favorite veggies have to be okra, cauliflower, mustard greens, and spinach. And when it comes to lentils, I'll eat any kind but red beans. Total favorite. What about you? Drop your faves in the comments, I want to know. Oh, and if you're still watching, comment something fun like spicy cucumber or sweet mint so I know who my real OGs are. Did you know that eating colorful vegetables not only makes your plate look pretty, but it also ensures you're getting a range of vitamins and minerals. Each color represents different nutrients, so aim for a rainbow on your plate. It's a simple way to make sure you're fueling your body right. Now, about the potatoes, don't go overboard. Potatoes are fine in small amounts, but they're starchy, so eating too many can make your meal heavier than it needs to be. It's all about balance. Just keep it light, load up on the greens, and you'll feel full, satisfied without that bloated feeling. All right, beauties, that's the full plan. If you have any questions about the meals or anything else, just drop a comment below. I'm always here for you. But before you dive into this 21-day challenge, you really need to watch this other video I've got for you. Trust me, it's a must-see if you want to set yourself up for success on this journey. You don't want to miss out on these key insights. So hit that end screen and check it out. I promise it will make a difference. Can't wait to see you there.